actually hates me, but my heart, my heart is so happy. You guys know that between the kids asking for snacks every 5 seconds and my cat's literally trying to eat my tripod right now, small business shopping is my only form of therapy. I have found 4 small businesses on Instagram that are so amazing, they're gonna make you want to throw your wallet at the screen. I'm talking about how is this even real levels of talent? We're looking at everything from 3D printed magic and beautiful cross-stitching to my absolute favorite clay art. Seriously, these creators are geniuses and I'm about to show you why. Buckle up, hide your credit card, and let's get into shop number 1. Is Pan on Instagram, and she creates the most incredible handmade clay art. And when I say handmade, I mean everything. No factory, no big machines, just pure talent and probably a lot of coffee. She's famous for these little worry stones and shakers. I mean, look at them. They're basically tiny portable shots of serotonin. But it's the facial expressions for me. Look at those little eyes. Every piece has its own distinct personality. She creates big and small worry stones, and guys, she has a ton of orders, so you know the hype is real. Can we just talk about the patience this takes? Watch her smooth out these tiny edges and cut away the uneven bits. I would have lost my mind 5 minutes in, but she's there with the precision of a surgeon. It's total ASMR vibes. Just watching her work feels like a warm hug for my brain. When you get up close, the textures and details are just, chef's kiss. This is why I love handmade products so much. You can actually feel the craftsmanship. It feels personal, like a little piece of her heart is in every single charm. If you need some cuteness in your life, you have to go check out her page at Pan on Instagram. But seriously, hide your wallet because you're going to want everything. Go show her some love. Okay, if you are a fidgeter like me, you are going to be absolutely obsessed with this next find. This is Gifts by Mel on Instagram, and she makes these incredible 3D printed hand clickers. You might be wondering, what does it actually do? Well, it clicks, but not just any click. It's the most crisp, satisfying sound you've ever heard. Seriously, once you start, it is physically impossible to stop. It's so addictive. I love how modern creators are using 3D printing so creatively. Usually 3D printed stuff can feel a little rough, but Mel's quality is next level. Look at how smooth the finish is. The colors and the whole design aesthetic are just so desk candy chic. Think of it as the ultimate upgrade to your old fidget toys. It's the perfect desk accessory for when you're stuck on a long Zoom call. And can we talk about gifting potential? These are the coolest little just because gifts for your friends or coworkers. This is what I mean when I say small business creativity beats mass production every single time. It's such a simple product, but the craftsmanship makes it so special. Comment down below what you think about this creation. Would you get this? Pass or keep? Go check her out at Gifty by Mel on Instagram. Your desk needs one of these. Trust me. Okay, prepare to have your mind blown because I just found the most genius way to use pipe cleaners. If you're like me, you remember these from elementary school art class, but what Anna Buie is doing with them? This is not that. She transforms fuzzy, colorful pipe cleaners into actual, elegant floral art. Seriously, look at these. They don't even look like pipe cleaners anymore. The way she shapes the tiny petals makes them look surprisingly realistic and delicate. Honestly, the fuzzy texture actually makes the flowers look softer and more dreamy than the real thing. Okay, I have to show you my favorite part. Look at the shading on the petals. One of the coolest details is that she actually uses eyeshadow powder to create these realistic color gradients. She's literally giving the flowers a little makeup look to make them feel lifelike. It's that tiny detail that makes her work feel so much more elevated. Anna is based in Kitchener and Toronto, and she is making this hobby so accessible. She doesn't just sell the finished art, she sells full DIY pipe cleaner kits. You can get bouquet kits or even these precious tiny potted flower designs to make yourself. She even shares online tutorials for beginners. Watching the flowers slowly come together piece by piece is so therapeutic and relaxing. This is exactly the kind of cozy crafting content I could watch for hours. It's the ultimate beginner-friendly hobby. People are obsessed with handmade decor right now because it feels so personal. And the best part? Unlike real flowers that die in a week, these beautiful blooms last forever. It's creative, it's decorative, and it's honestly just so soothing to look at. If you want to turn your room into a fuzzy garden, or if you're looking for your next DIY obsession, you have to go check out Anna Buey's page. Go grab a kit and show her some love. I'm officially a pipe cleaner flower convert.
Okay, you guys know my small business obsession is real. I've rounded up 4 of my absolute favorite shops for this video, and let me tell you, every single one of these is a total 10 out of 10. Now, I saved this one for last because I have a bit of a problem. I already have a massive collection of polymer clay earrings, but looking at Ola.Patoon, I'm officially ready for a restock. I'm honestly thinking about grabbing a few pairs for my sisters too, if I can actually bring myself to give them away. These are handmade in Los Angeles, and the aesthetic is just pure magic. The process is so much more intense than people think. It starts with soft clay that she layers and shapes. Some of these floral and abstract patterns are so intricate, they look like tiny pieces of art you can wear. Watch the tiny tools she uses for the detailing. It's so time-consuming, but seeing that soft clay go into the oven and come out as durable, lightweight jewelry is just so cool. And can we talk about the finish? Whether she goes for a matte look or a high-gloss shine, the quality is next level. I love that every pair is unique because of those little handmade touches. It feels so much more personal than buying something generic from the mall. Honestly, watching her sand and shape these is my favorite way to wind down. It's so satisfying. And that is a wrap on my mini roundup of 4 amazing small businesses. Supporting these creators makes such a huge impact, and I'm so happy I got to share them with you. Also, if you are a small business owner watching this and you would love to collab, send me an email. I would love to connect and potentially feature your shop right here on my channel. All the info is in my bio. But I want to hear from you guys first. Which small businesses are you currently obsessed with? Tag them in the comments so I can check them out and react to them in my next video. Don't forget to like and follow for more shop finds. See you in the next video.